I'll go stand with the people who do like me because I like them.
Well, you should just log off then.
Come over here. You can come stand on my bed. Can't turn backwards to shoot somebody.
Turn him down, Gran. Tell him to naff off.
Here, I'll stand perpendicular to Sofa so you can shoot her.
Yeah, it's like being on a warthog in Halo. You have to.
No.
Oh, hey Sofa, look up.
I don't want your dirty fish.
The way this works is you're standing in the corners, and on count of 3, 2, 1, go. You'll go around and please don't step the anvils yet. You'll drop the anvils on people like that. So you're gonna click on the top of the glass to drop the anvils, and the goal is to damage the person until they die.
Oh right, okay. Oh dear. Oh
now,
dear.
I'm really bad at this.
The last 4 people alive will be moving on, but we will be playing till there's only 1 alive. So if you die, if you're the last person to die, the second to last person to die, and the third to last person to die, you will be moving on to the next round.
Oh, okay.
Well, I'm going out first.
What's new, right?
We'll see.
Get out of here, you riffraff.
Is everyone ready?
Yes.
Yeah, I think so.
I'm scared.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ooh.
Don't come for me, you! Also, you can place them on your own head. Ah!
Don't do that.
Oh, I do that all the time.
Oh!
Oh!
This is a fiesta.
Everyone get out my way! Some don't!
Don't have any anvils left. Ah.
Good. Hello, Abigail. Ow! Oh, I think I just... Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness!
Did I get you there, Gran?
You did! Stop getting there, you!
It's really difficult.
No! Oh, no!
First one out.
I think Ant's lagging. He's just chilling.
Was I the first one out?
Yes, you were.
Oh!
And Empress is the next.
Some go away.
Ah, no.
Vidya!
Yeah.
Don't start, Vidya. You get away, you some.
I'm the pro here.
The anvils.
I own my inventory. No, I don't like this game.
Everyone's literally just teaming up on Sofa at this point.
That's how it should have been, yeah.
He's still alive.
Excuse me, what do you mean? I'm still alive. You get away from me, you!
You're still alive even though people are ganging up on you. That's a compliment.
I think Drailer has done more damage to himself this round than anyone else has.
Don't you dare say anything.
I think I kept doing that, actually.
I keep pressing my inventory. I keep pressing it. No.
Remember that time your axe turned into a fish?
Oh, don't start.
I'm gonna run out of sprint.
Oh. I think
Abigail.
Alright, so... one more to die, and then that person doesn't move on.
No, it's probably gonna be me.
I keep trying to eat. I don't want to eat.
I don't eat enough food.
I just keep picking up people's stuff.
When can we play?
Al?
Oh, they you just start.
Oh my god.
So many anvils.
Hey, Benji.
Hi.
You're in the next group.
No, love heart.
Oh, Sofa's out.
I opened my inventory again.
Oh,
playing, but
so
the next-
fair.
These
It's
4
kind of
will be the
unfair
ones
when
moving
4 or
on.
5 people are attacking you at the same time.
I think I kept squashing myself, me.
We can heal first.
Yeah, I do
right?
that.
I'm out of sprint.
No.
You can't
No
kill with
heal.
food. You start with full.
Do we go
Start with full
first?
food, but you can't eat once it starts.
Can I eat if I'm out of sprint?
Nope.
Dang, this sucks.
I'm also out of sprint, and I have half a heart.
Me and Sums are going at it.
I gotta
Everyone.
restart my
Oh,
mouse.
I'm not gonna make
Oh.
I gotta restart my mouse because I have no sound.
oh dear.
it. Left.
Oh.
Oh, that's okay.
Everyone dead.
GG.
Now that seems
L.
rigged now.
Host rigged.
Games are rigged.
Rigged.
Confirmed.
All right.
Just run in there and smack faces.
I wish you would.
Begin in 3, 2, 1, go.
Go on, Captain Riffraff, get him.
Absolute chaos down there.
Someone kill Sober because he sucks.
Whoa, come on.
Oh, some of those anvils are not. They're not breaking, are they?
Oh, what's going on? What is
Wait,
going
what?
on? They're just on the floor. You're not supposed to place them on the floor.
You place them on the roof.
Oh, is that what's happened?
Yeah,
Oh
yeah,
dear.
yeah, that's funny.
Well,
It's
that
fine.
might be a strategy to
That's what
confuse them.
later on in later versions of the game there's gonna be
I'm kind of sad I have
Anyone
yet to be
died
hit.
yet? I don't think they'll have that. Oh, there we go.
Oh,
Oh,
Oh yeah, somebody died.
Think of the death. The death will happen.
that was scary. Going in there to get those.
so much. Is Sober still in, for goodness sake?
I've yet to be hit. What are you talking
Pretty sure I'm
about?
killing myself more than other people are.
Oh, okay, I've been hit.
It's just too easy to left it on your own head.
Dev is out.
Oh.
That's okay, Zal. One more person and then it's the final 4.
Oh, there's golden carrots on the floor there.
Oh no.
Those were mine.
Alright, Ray keeps hitting himself.
Oh, Ray's out. So the
That's
final
Ray.
4.
Do we have to kill each other?
Yep.
Get that Sober. He sucks. Oh, Amax getting a bit out of a. Oh.
Get a bit of a beating here. There we go.
Oh, no.
But good news, Amex still gets to go to the next round.
No.
Get that Banji, he sucks.
No.
Yay!
Eat a dick.
Oh look, it's
And
the
then-
other game creator still in.
It's the two
Oh my
riffraff.
gosh, if Captain wins.
What should help that,
All
Captain?
the shenanigans.
Alright, see you, Dev.
Oh, whoa.
It was a train.
I
Train.
like
when did
trains.
Minecraft add trains?
I like twains.
Here it's coming in the 1.15 update.
In 17 years from now.
Beep beep, mother.
Choo choo. I was just gonna say that.
Oh.
Ow, Banji, get out of here. Don't you bloody start.
Have a pie.
Notice
don't
you
want
do
your-
have to place them farther away from you than normal.
Yeah.
Oh, and there you go.
Oh. Well done, Sober.
No, I still have like.
Sober, can you return the
That was- I
anvils
feel like
to
that-
me?
Boo.
That one good.
So that was round 1.
Someone
Round
cut
1.
your head.
So go
First
into
time
the left.
placing
Oh, I
an
wasn't allowed
anvil
before.
in the air like that.
You were.
It was interesting.
still
realized
Felt
that.
pretty easy, and I have a little
I thought I was
strategy.
out.
Still here?
Don't get trapped in the
Hello.
corner.
Legitimately leave?
Don't sprint.
I'm still here. Hello.
Hey.
Ready for round
Hey.
2.
2, 1, go.
Go.
Oh, I'm so scared.
Get him.
Don't die. Captain Morgan.
Captain Riffraff.
So the final 2 remaining in this map, in this range, will move on to the next.
No, she's gonna win.
Thank you.
She's gonna smash face. Get the riffraff out. Look at some trying. He sucks.
He's coming
Tried
for
so
me.
hard. I don't think I've hit anybody.
Guys, why are you all on me?
I don't think anybody's
Oh,
hit anything.
some's got
Ooh.
hit.
I just
I
got
think
hit.
AMAC just sprinted for like 20 seconds without doing
You jinxed me now.
That's what I
Oh.
Oh no.
What happened
Oh
there?
no.
Anvil.
So much anvil noise.
My game's lagging so hard right now. You don't even know.
L.
Oh, Notion took a bit.
Notion.
feel like
Oh, that was a big group of people got hit there.
Ow! Someone hurry up and die.
Wow.
Vicious.
Oh, AMAC took a little bit.
This is not happening fast enough, guys. Come on. Everyone just stand in the corner.
Thumbs got hit.
That's okay.
Ocean Morgan got hit.
Oh no. Owie.
Oh, a bit lag there.
Yeah.
Ah, shoot.
Morgan got hit again.
I need
I
an
feel like
anvil.
Morgan's low.
Run away. Run away.
Samusum.
Shuma.
Cap Morgan's at 3 hearts.
Actually, you know what? Go Notion.
Wait, how can you tell someone's hurt?
Oh, yeah, where do you look at that?
You,
They just do the damage.
Oh, really?
Oh,
He's counting every time
oh, I
they
hadn't realised that. Let me get it up.
precise amount of
Excuse
health.
me?
Some took a little bit.
The dynamite.
Again.
Am I the lowest?
Some took a little bit.
Oh, of course. There it is.
I'm in
I
trouble.
don't.
I'm out of anvils again.
Oh gosh.
Oh, some escaped death just then.
Wait until you have all
L. L.
What if one
more
person
person to
didn't
be
place-
out, and it's the final two.
What if one person didn't place any anvils and then just collected them all? And there'd be none left, and you'd win.
Oh no.
I think you would still have
Ah,
to hold
shoot.
it.
Oh.
AMAC and Notion move on, but let's see who
Gonna
wins
get him.
this one.
Gonna get him.
Go Notion.
Smack his face.
Kill the Mac.
Oh.
Kill the Mac. He's not a Big Mac. He's a fraud.
Nothing against you.
Kill the AMAC.
Get him. Get him. Get him, Notion.
Second part of round 2 begins in 3, 2, 1, go.
Go. You can do it, Vidya.
Ooh, I like the
Come on, Vidya.
That Drailer guy.
He sucks.
Nope. 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 No. 3. Nope. 3.
I say
Keep
Driller
moving,
wins
Vidya.
again.
Room. Take him out.
Keep moving.
Huh. Puppy.
Ouch. 3.
3.
3.
3.
3.
Sober damage.
3.
How do you use the dynamite?
Oh, 3.
No. Dia took that.
Drailer's gonna win this again.
Type F in chat to pay respects.
No.
Holy
L.
Oh, Nvidia, I don't know how you didn't get hit there.
lightning going on in my face.
You know what? I have a better strategy. I have a better idea.
Sorry if you hear lightning, there's really a big thunder going on.
Yeah, that happens
Sorry
in
if
these
you're
big
lightning, but
games.
Nvidia Kai is the god of thunder, and he can't help but create it.
I don't
with
have
his
any
flash in his hair.
anvils.
Run, Vidya. You're running the wrong way.
Everyone's just
Follow
trying to
the
kill
anvils,
Vidya at this
Vidya.
point.
Pick some
You're
up.
supposed to run into the anvil.
Oh, got you. What, 2, 3 times?
There's loads around the floor, Vidya. Pick them up.
Is that the prize? Is
Yeah, and the way this program is
5
set up, those
react?
anvils stack big.
Keep going.
Come on, give me anvils. Oh, 31. I take it.
31.
Oh, God.
I
Go away.
take it.
Oh, man, do you punch him?
Come on, die.
Oh, no. Careful.
I want all of you
Nope.
to win, except for Trailer.
Go away.
Oh, wow.
No, I'm just kidding. I just don't really know him that much.
It's so difficult. Oh, I'm killing myself. No! Don't do that.
No.
Oh, careful.
Jesus, I'm almost dead.
Vidya, it's okay, just change your name and your death count gets reset.
Oh, I don't mind about the many deaths. Oh,
Oh, Vidya.
Poor Vidya
Come on,
boy.
guys, get Drailer out of this.
Oh,
really? He's cheating.
No, he's not.
Not gay,
I've hit
yes.
him quite a few times.
No.
Vidya are the same
Yeah. Oh, you only got it once.
Nice. There we go.
Yeah. Okay, Sober, your turn.
Yeah, get that banjo out. He sucks.
Don't do that.
Nope, 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 nope.
We're
I got
just
so
have
many
slightly more
heads
health right
and
now.
food in my inventory.
Brady, come here. Tentacle kids. Right here.
Oh, this isn't
Oh,
gonna be good.
what?
I almost have ambles.
Banji's a butt.
Banji, what's your health at, man?
1.
No.
Oh,
Ooh.
okay.
Got caught then.
Just punch
Ooh.
him.
Get in.
No. 3.
Come on,
Sober.
3.
You better not be eating there, Banji.
I don't have anything.
I got plenty in my.
Come here.
Ah, dang it!
Ah.
Yeah.
GG.
Yeah,
Well done,
Oh, man,
Sober.
Sober for the win again.
Alright,
Okay.
so now that round 2 is over.
Morgan, do you have all my stuff?
Wait. Oh,
Yes.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Do
I'm
we
not,
go left or
I
right?
just have a little strategy for
You,
it.
you go into the left room.
Not getting stuck in the
left.
corner.
Okay.
Apparently I have a bow.
Not sprinting.
Do you need your
Seems
stuff
to be
or-
working. I beat the game
Video.
creator. Who apparently
Yeah,
I
but
was supposed to win this pretty
So
easily.
are the rooms
Hi.
getting smaller, aren't they?
Yeah,
So
Yeah,
we're down to the 2v2s.
Yeah, to make it easier to kill
and
each
after
other.
the 2v2s,
Uh-huh.
everyone
Hi.
one for
Question.
winner.
Alright, so
Okay.
3,
Go keep-
2, 1, go.
thank you.
Woo. Come
Oh,
on.
don't do that.
Just shotting it. What are you trying about?
What's that?
Don't break our game.
Ouch.
I got the first hit.
I suck at
You're
this.
gonna smash them. Smash face. Smash face.
Kill Sober, he
Banji.
sucks.
Yes.
Oh, no.
Ah.
Nice.
Some of your meat's in the
Good
way.
hit.
Ouch.
Oh, again,
Banji's getting
again.
hit.
I suck at this.
Ooh.
Oh,
Banji
no.
takes a
The
little.
overcommit.
I think I hurt myself
Banji
there.
takes another one.
What to do?
Oh,
Oh,
no, take a
careful,
few hits.
Caution.
Kill each other.
Go on, get him. Get him. Squash him.
Shut up.
Squash him like
That was Sofa
Well
talking,
done,
right? Was that Sofa or was that Mega Grand talking?
That was Gran.
Was that really?
Whoa.
Yeah, I
so-
swear it was Gran.
Yours?
Never got all this
Yeah,
way.
yeah.
Gentlemen shake before
Ooh.
we
Yours?
begin.
I like
Yours?
this. It's warm.
Alright, so if you
Oh, I think I critted you though.
I got a bow.
He
The
ought to be
loser of this
banded.
round will go and play. Will be facing Banji in the 3rd place round. The winner of this round will be going to face Notion in the 1st and 2nd place.
so Amac just take
Ooh.
out.
Okay, I'm gonna be mute for 2 seconds here.
I mean, Sober's won every single round so far, so I really don't know how this is gonna work out.
You got the
Hmm.
same. We believe in you.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa.
Oh, excellent.
That Enfield ego.
Ooh.
That was close. See, what y'all don't know is I built a secret anvil drop in my base. No, I'm just kidding.
I've been practicing 24/7.
With 2 computers, 4
Oh,
hands.
that's another hit.
Oh, so
Okay.
Oh,
I got
Sober,
hit.
you got hit then. Ooh.
Come on, Sober.
Ooh.
I believe in you, Amac.
Oh, he's getting smacked.
Almost hit myself.
They smack, not in.
Oh, dear.
No.
and that hit himself.
Looking good.
Oh,
Oh, both
Oh.
both,
lead.
yeah.
Double
Honey, Mac,
whammy.
everyone loves an underdog.
Oh, and that hit again.
He's going down.
It's gotta be like 1 more hit, yeah?
Can't even
Yeah,
see
come
Sober half the
on.
time.
Oh no.
Oh, good switch up.
Oh, so
got
we
the
take
corner
a
of the
hit.
Oh.
Oh.
Wow, well done, Sober.
Amac
Yeah.
versus
Sober.
Banji.
The cup.
Alright, so that was
Yeah, welcome
round
to the suck
3,
club.
I guess.
Alright,
You suck at everything.
for 3rd
As y'all
place.
seen, that's the lowest I've gotten.
You-
I walked
Okay,
into 2.
Amac gets
I
3rd
felt like
place.
Wait,
I
hold on.
should've
I'm not at full health.
easily dodged.
I am not
but
at full health right now.
I think I have a winning strategy for the finals. So enjoy this
Ow.
match, and then
So
we'll
not
get
place
back
the
into my
animals.
final match.
I am
Are you
down
up
on a
for-
heart.
Smack
So
it,
for
put it
3rd
out.
place, we have Amac
Oh, thank you.
490 in this corner.
Wow,
Yep.
thanks for blocking
And
my
in
view.
this
Summer,
corner,
summer.
we have Banji 3000. May the
Stab
best
blood.
anvil dropper win.
Probably not me.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yep, Dave.
I think AMAC might win this.
They both
He was a
hit.
good opponent.
Banji twice.
No, I hit myself. Okay.
3 times.
They were both facing the opposite way for the.
Yep.
Oh.
4 times.
Oh wow.
That made me diary.
Come on, Amac. Get that Banji. Squash
Yeah,
him.
get it.
Yeah, AMAC has
Squish him.
kind of the strategy I
down.
have.
I'm dead.
Crush him like an ant.
I'm dead.
Squish him. Squish him.
No.
Confidence is key.
Oh, second
Oh,
on
hit
his
him
face.
so twice.
Stop burping, please.
Who is that?
Oh,
I am trash at this.
Congratulations, AMAC.
good job.
You're third place, I'm fourth place.
And second place prize, we have Notion and SoberBartender.
Woo. Nothing.
The best person
Hey,
wins.
bartender is stupid.
Obviously Notion.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
What if we both just place one?
Come on, sober lotion.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, Notion.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
I
you
got
got
too aggressive.
Go on, Notion, be careful.
You can't do it, man.
Go on, you can do it.
Red face.
Oh, careful.
Oh.
No,
Both
careful.
are taking the same amount of licks.
Matching hit for Anvil.
Oh,
no.
We're formally.
Notion.
Losing confidence.
Kill the sober. Kill the bartender.
Oh, no.
I should be up like
careful.
3 hits now.
You can do
You
it.
can do this Notion.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
Oh,
I'm up to
careful.
60 deaths.
Oh, let's go.
Hacks. Hacks.
What did Notion win?
GG, Sober.
Thank you.
GG.
have the 3 winners please approach me.
How close do you want me?
Or not.
Oh,
I'll stop. So the bronze prize goes to
The bronze. Who spelled
Hey,
bronze like that?
Like, I get to keep the shader and everything.
yes.
This game rocks. I'm so happy.
Now the
For the
silver
moment, I was
prize
like, hey, online.
goes to Notion.
Yay.
Hey.
Well done. Well done.
Hope you
What?
picked it back up. Yeah.
My goodness. Someone's punching me. Alright. Now, the winner of the first
Ooh.
Anvil drop event goes to SoberBartender.
Hey.
Ooh.
Oh, wait, do I get to keep
Yay, go
the shulker box?
Well done,
Yes.
Sober.
Oh, this game rocks. I'm just kidding.
Silver is Banjo, I swear to God, boy.
Thank you guys for coming out here and playing.
It was fun. Thank you for hosting, man.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
GG, everybody.